You do not need 10,000 followers to make your first sale. You do not need 100. You need 10 buyers, the right 10, who have the exact problem your product solves. The audience myth is the single biggest reason people with good products never sell them. 10 buyers beats 10,000 followers every time. Path 1. Personal outreach. Find 10 people who have the problem your product solves. They might be in a subreddit complaining about it, in a Facebook group asking for help, or on LinkedIn posting about the struggle. Message them directly. Not a pitch, a check-in. Hey, I noticed you mentioned this problem. I built something that might help. Want to see it? 10 people, not 1,000. Path 2. Community seeding. Find 3 online communities where your buyer lives. A subreddit, a Discord server, a niche Facebook group. Spend a week adding genuine value, answer questions, share insights, ask good ones. Then, once you have given, mention the product. Not a drop link. By the way, I put together something on exactly this. Communities that trust you convert. Path 3. Borrow a platform. Find one newsletter in your niche with under 10,000 subscribers. Small enough to say yes, large enough to matter. Pitch a guest post, a co-send, or even a paid ad. Small newsletters are often free or nearly free. One borrowed audience can generate more buyers than 6 months of building your own from scratch. The myth is that you need to build an audience first and sell second. That is backwards. Distribution comes first. Audience comes second. Your first 10 sales teach you more about your buyer than a year of creating content for no one. Stop building the stage before you know if the show works. Distribution precedes audience. Myth busted. Path 4. Search intent. List your product on Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip, and let buyers find you. When someone searches for how to fix their specific problem and your product title matches that search, they convert at high rates because they came to you. You did not interrupt them. They were already looking. 4 paths. You do not need all 4. You need one that works. Your first 10 sales will teach you more than your first 10,000 followers. They will tell you what language resonates, what problem is sharpest, and what to build next. Distribution is not a phase that comes after the product. It is part of the product. Start it now. You have the product, you have the price, you have the distribution. Now let's talk about what happens when you stack all of it. Subscribe for more. Cashflow Clarity Season 2. Next up, the compounding side income stack. What it looks like when all 3 layers work together. See you there.